So the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you already do not have the ModPizza app, you can actually get it and earn rewards. Now, if it is not working, or if you want to learn how to use it, you first need to open it. This is how you can fix it and use it. And you can basically view all of your recent orders, your rewards, and sometimes there are maintenance breaks, so it doesn't always work 24/7. Basically, you can order pizza within this app or any of the food they have there. With the order now option, click on rewards or just view any of your recent orders right here. And you can see I have 0 points if you click on this thing in the top left-hand corner of the screen. And you can basically scan points or view rewards just on the home screen by clicking on this red text right here. And you can see you have 0 out of 50 points. This is how you get your first pizza reward. And you can go to the inbox to actually view them and get more rewards like so. And basically you can just order pizza on this app, or you can actually do any other thing like that. If it's not working, I recommend resetting your phone or just waiting a day, because sometimes it doesn't always work due to maintenance or making sure your location is right in setting.